Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Then click on Connected Devices. Select Connection Preferences and click on Printing. From here, you can click on Default Print Service right away. And wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by clicking on this switcher next to Use Print Service and click on the back button. Now tap on Add Service instead and install the best one for your printer. I will go with HP one, so I have to click on it, choose Install, and when it's ready, tap on the back button twice. Now just click on your brand new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!